As you work with React and JSX together, you'll start to notice how powerful JSX actually is. We can use it to inject dynamic content into our tags simply by referencing them by variable name. So, what do I mean by that? Let me show you. The first thing I'll do is I'm going to create a variable called robot, and I'm going to set this equal to our robot here. Then I'm going to create another one for a cowboy, and we want to make sure that those are always being passed in strings. And then we'll grab the moon as well. So let moon equal our nice little smiling moon friend. So inside of our list now, I want to take whatever this value is and I want to display it inside of our list item. So we'll go ahead and use the curly braces. Anytime we're using a curly brace in JSX, we're using a JSX expression. So here we'll pass robot, cowboy, and moon. So now nothing has really changed about our output. So let's add another list item here. And what I want to add is we'll say let name equal React. We're going to plug in the name here and we should see React being added to our list items. Now, remember, anytime you see a JSX expression with the curly braces, you can use all sorts of functions inside of these braces. So let's say I said to uppercase, and we called that function, and now this is going to transform React into all caps. Similarly, we could say name.length. That'll give us the property that we've asked for. So JSX is a really powerful way that we can inject dynamic content into our app.